with Wyckoff, like, it's strange because it can be a low with an even lower low and then a higher low. Like, there's so many similarities. Like, if we just look at this little area right here, like, I know it's not quite the same as what we would have, but this circle smashing down and then making a retracement to like a 61 and then having a new high. So we did that again, that same kind of movement. You know, it's like we managed to produce that phase A almost perfectly because, you know, the second low, it's not as low as the first low. And it's like what we do in there is we take these two lows and move them over to the highs like that. And that's basically how we construct this sort of N. And that's really visible right there. And I can see that, you know, the same kind of idea, if we take those two lows over, we have that same sort of N. And basically, that's the structure of what it does in there, which is pretty much the same as we can see on the Wyckoff. And then when it does that W, what's it supposed to do? Well, it's supposed to make a new low. Like, that's what it's supposed to do. Make a new low like that. And then it rallies up to, you know, the highs again on a 5-wave move. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see from the bottom here, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just like we have over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then what we do from there, ironically, is a 61% retracement that grinds. So we make that 61% retracement after the 5-wave move that ends up grinding. That's what we ended up doing here as well. And it gives you that more of a grind on the 61 than everyone's used to, more of a grind than we see anywhere else. So first starting from the N, which we could see over here, it has that very distinct sort of two lows matching the two highs. And we have that in there. We dump off. And then we make the 61. And it rallies. You know, it even has a little bit of a chop there. So after it made the 61, it rallies up to the highs, you know, across here. Makes that same little chop and then continued beyond it. Everything that it needed to do inside of the Wyckoff phase to phase is pretty exact. But if I was to just overlap it move for move, starting with the circle, down, that's exactly what it's supposed to do. I mean, is there anything it's not, you know, done that it's supposed to do? I mean, it literally completed everything. These two lows here, I've noticed this is completely different, but they both go up like that, and here it actually is strange that it still works. Like, it actually does create an N that's mathematically parallel like this in both of those schematics, which I think is kind of remarkable. I don't even know if Wyckoff knew that. He might not have known that, you know, or it would be identified.